Right, welcome back. So, tonight, what we're going to do is, with everyone sort of getting ready to start or having already started the IA3, we're going to look at natural increase and how to create a map layer for natural increase in your SA2 selected area. So, this is really a fun one to do because it gives you some other skills in GIS. So, what we're going to do is highlight population people 21 SA. Now, in this layer here, there is a lot of data. So, if you look at the data sets, and we'll go to field, you can see here there are lots of estimated resident population, population density. We can use all these layers: median age, males, and working age population 15 to 64, which is a really important layer and percentage. We will create a layer in one of the follow-up lessons to this. But what I want to do this lesson here, and you can go through and have a look at all the data that sits in there, but what we're interested in is births and deaths, because what we're going to do is create a natural increase map for local areas SA2s. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit expression. This is the first time I've ever done this with a lesson. So we're going to hit expression. It takes a little while, and we've got a new expression. So what we're going to do is we're going to profile variables. We're going to look for the data. So the feature we're going to look for first, and we need natural increase. We need births. So we'll go through here and we'll look at registered births number for 2021. We're then going to go up and click on there and press minus. So to get natural increase, we need to then highlight registered deaths. So births minus deaths equals natural increase. And we're going to hit done. We've created an expression, and that is natural increase. It'll take a little minute to do the calculation. There's our calculation. We're going to go to expression, and we're going to change that expression. And we're going to go natural increase. Natural increase 2021 ABS data. And done. And you can see up in the choose attributes, we've now got natural increase. We're going to play around with that data a little bit, because what we want, and look, it's a choropleth map. We could go to classified data. It gives us some breaks. We could change those breaks. So it's manipulating the data or transforming the data. And you can see down to negative 180 up to 360. We can change those natural breaks to represent, let's go negative 50. Let's go 0. Let's go 100. And you can see it changes the data. So we've now got negative 50. 50 to 0, 0 to 100, negative 50 to 0, negative 50 to 180. So we've got some good breaks. The thing that you can do here, though, is that we can turn off classify data, and you can actually use some of the functionality in here, and you can see Rothwell, Redcliffe, Cloncut are all in that lower echelon. Up here, we can go theme. Now, I like extremes. So extremes is a really good way to go about things. It gives us a nice high where the natural decrease is and where the natural increase is. You can see these are all high areas of natural increase. We've got these little areas where we've got young families supposedly, and we could look at that. And up here we've got Bribie Island and negative 24 under 24. So we've got this decrease in population. So we can look at these extremes. Now, if we go down to a popular one down here in Yarrabilba, Crestmead, you can see right through this particular area, there's these growth corridors, these natural increase corridors down Coomera, Ormeo, right through this northern Gold Coast region as well. You can see that there's this natural increase. Now, it is the SA2, but this is a really good way to start your analysis of your IA3 because you're looking at natural increase. We'll have a look at some of the other data sets here, but that's the first way to do a really impressive natural increase map for your analysis for your IA3. Thanks for listening. Talk to you next time.